In this video, we're going to do a quick review of the new Auxito LED bulbs. Now, that is the halogen bulb. This is what the car comes with. This is the original size, right? Now, if you look at the original video that I made, I love that bulbs. The only thing I wish they would have done a little bit different was if they could reduce the size of it. Because the original bulb comes with like a fan and there's an adapter in the back. And because of that, I wasn't quite able to put the cap back on. And that's the biggest change that they've made over here, and I love it. And you know what, let's just open up the box and see how similar the bulb is in comparison to the original halogen bulb the car comes with. So that's the box right there. That's the original halogen bulb the car came with. Let's open up the box. Even the box size is small. That is good. Let's open it up. Just simple product manual, and those are the bulbs right there. See that? They looked exactly the same as the halogen bulbs. Let's take it out and compare them side by side now. That's the LED bulb and that's the halogen bulb. An exact one-to-one replication in size. That's perfect. Now let's go out there, install these new bulbs in the car and see if it actually does install just like the halogen bulbs and how well it performs, and we'll go and check it out. Alright, now let's just install the bulb. The process is as straightforward as installing any other bulb. The bulb goes in, install it, and once we do, let's take a closer look at the bulb itself. Perfect. It fits just like the OEM halogen bulb. Doesn't stick out, nothing. It's great. Perfect. Now let's just put the connector back on and see if we can put the cap back on as well. And that looks good. See, I'm now able to put the cap back on just like in the original halogen bulbs, and that's great. Let's turn the car on. Right now I only put the Auxito LED bulbs in the passenger side one. Such a difference between the original halogen bulb, right? And over here it may look like it's flickering in the daytime running light function, but in reality it's not. It's just my camera over here. But yeah, it works really well in the daytime running light function and also the high beam function. Now both the high beam bulbs are Auxito LED bulbs, and what a difference does it make to the look of my car. Beautiful. That's it. That's great. I love it. And check out the link in the description to buy these bulbs for yourself, and I highly recommend them. Thank you for watching.